CR0923, State of Texas versus Cordelia Childress. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Tracy Beerhead, Your Honor.
For the defense?
John Young.
And are you Miss Childress?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Childress, I'm showing you what's entitled application for probation. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes,
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
yes, we are, Your Honor.
Ms. Childress, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendants waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of felon in possession of a firearm? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor. This was a mistake. She trusted somebody else to give her a bag, and the bag happened to have a gun in it. He has accepted the plea bargain to put this behind her rather than taking a chance at the trial.
Who did you trust? What is their name?
My brother.
Ah. Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am. I have a 3-year-old.
And where's the 3-year-old?
She's with family members right now.
What family members?
Her grandmother, paternal grandmother.
Have you been in a part of her life at all?
Not much.
So are you planning, there's someone looking through the glass, like the song, How Much Is That Doggy in the Window or something?
Not associated with us, Your Honor.
Okay. So are you employed?
I was, yes, ma'am.
Doing what?
I work for Olive Garden, ma'am.
All right, Olive Garden.
Yes, ma'am.
Their calamari is not as good as it used to be.
They changed the batter.
All right, so you can talk to them about that.
Yes, ma'am.
Landry has got the best calamari.
They do?
They
Okay.
do, down on the river.
All right. You know, Olive Garden is under the umbrella with Red Lobster.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
a dirty restaurant.
Yep. And so Olive Garden, your mushrooms would be so much better if you would stuff them with the shrimp like they do at Red Lobster. I'm just throwing that out there.
I'll make sure and let my manager.
But you all do have the best salad dressing.
Yes.
So, but don't put enough tomatoes in your salad. I'm just, or cucumbers. I don't know why they don't do
It's
that.
like the cherries in the fruit salad.
Yeah.
You can always
Got a
request
hook
more.
for 'em.
Okay, I'm gonna do that. You all, I don't know what's the best, their breadsticks or the cheddar biscuits. I'm just saying that because you
Cheddar
work there. We know it's the cheddar
The
biscuit.
cheddar biscuits are,
we know.
are just the best thing that the Red Lobster's got.
So, do you have a place to live?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And are you going to go back and try to get work at Olive Garden?
Yes, ma'am. I'm 14 in Ingram.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do we have any drug issues with you?
No, ma'am.
Why were you at this hotel?
My brother called me.
All right. Your story sounds a little fishy to me, but what I'm going to tell you is when you're on probation out of this court, we take it very seriously.
Yes, ma'am.
So you're going to have to complete everything and they are going to drug test you. Okay. So how long have you been in custody?
Since November.
Oh, wow.
I've
Why
only
hasn't you
been,
been-
I've only been involved for about a month.
Well, I will tell you, this case is from 2023. At least that's the case number on the file. So we don't have people in this court sitting at jail that long. So once it came to my attention, here we are.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. There's going to be a $1,500 fine that'll be probated. 4 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 4 years. 100.
Let's decode Childress's outcome. The judge imposes 4 years TDCJ, suspended, and probated for 4 years, plus a $1,500 fine probated. This is the justice system saying, we won't send you now, but we'll supervise you tightly. Key conditions: 100 hours community service, but deemed satisfied if she completes parenting, raindrops to rainbows, no unsupervised contact with minors until progress is verified, regular reporting, Zoom/in-person, random UAs, monthly field visits ramping down at probation's discretion, proof of employment within 30 days, and no jobs around minors or home health roles. The brothers bag, story gets side-eyed, and the judge warns, documentation and compliance are everything. Engagement check. Smart or soft? Does trading generic CSR hours for evidence-based parenting programs create better real-world safety for the child and the community?
Probation deems necessary. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Probation, is there anything else she needs? Yes, if she completes the parenting class, then the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
I'm 35 now.
All right, you're 35. You need to know, because you're on paper, you cannot be accepting items from people, even family members, and not knowing what it is. All right. And the other thing, could you tell Olive Garden that when you ask for gnocchi soup, there needs to be some gnocchi in the gnocchi. Otherwise, you're just giving me some broth with chicken bits in it.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Deputy Laura, everybody knows I'm telling the truth about the gnocchi. All right, John Marino, the court is calling 2023 CR 2284, State of Texas versus Emmanuel Ramirez Lara. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state.
Defense?
Leslie Salonovich for the defense.
Are you Mr. Lara?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Going to show you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Lara, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers of Affidavit and of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of burglary of a habitation force? That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Your
All right, is there anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Honor.
Mr. Laura, how old are you?
23.
All right, why are you breaking into apartments and using your fist to break glass?
I was high on a drug, and I made a mistake, and I'm meant to accept my mistakes
How long have you been using drugs?
since I was 12.
And what's your drug of choice?
Weed and meth.
Okay, how often are you using meth?
Every once in a while, not every day though. I smoke weed every day though.
All right, what's his criminal history?
He has a misdemeanor, I think.
Yes, Judge. The only criminal history in Bear County is this offense and the misdemeanor criminal history, Judge.
All right, does he has out of county criminal history or out of state? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
what is it?
2 burglaries.
All right. All right, you're gonna have to do better, you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And thank you for being honest with me about your past, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you could have said, oh, I don't have anything. So I appreciate your honesty.
Thank you.
All right, so I'm gonna sentence you to 2 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine, time and money run concurrent. Taking into consideration County Court Cause number 699954. If you want, I can recommend the therapeutic community.
This is where Lara's case turns. He admits drug use since 12, daily weed, and an episode of breaking glass to enter a dwelling, serious, high-risk conduct. The judge imposes 2 years in prison with a $1,500 fine, then recommends therapeutic community, but with an important caveat. The program decides admission, not the court. Why mix custody with treatment? Because the court must manage public safety, deterrence, structure, while tackling the driver of the crime, substance use. The judge lays out the stakes plainly: overdose risk, lost years, and a child who needs a stable parent. Your call. Would you prioritize TC access for someone with burglary conduct, or should treatment be reserved for probationers who've already shown compliance potential?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal.
Yes, ma'am.
And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Do you have any children?
I'm real pregnant right now.
All right, so here's the thing. You're gonna have to get your life in order, because I don't know if your girlfriend, is she using drugs too?
No, ma'am.
All right. If you want to be the type of parent that your child can look up to, you're gonna have to get off the drugs. You're gonna have to get a job and be somebody that they can be proud of. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So you're gonna have to do better. And if you don't want to do better or you can't do better, then do not be in your child's life, because you'll be disappointing them. And that hurts when a parent tells a child they're going to change and then they don't.
I know how it feels to lose a child because I lost my 2-year-old.
All right. So you got to do better. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you. Okay.
Summary. In Childress, felon in possession, the court chose suspended time with 4 years probation, a probated $1,500 fine, and a tight child safety first plan. Parenting classes, which can satisfy CSR. No unsupervised minor contact until progress. Random UAs, monthly field visits, regular reporting, proof of employment, and no jobs around minors/home health. In Lara, burglary of a habitation, the court imposed 2 years, prison with a therapeutic community recommendation, and a direct warning about overdose, recidivism, and parental responsibility. Across both, one theme rules: compliance you can verify beats excuses you can't. If you found this case as shocking as we did, hit like, drop your take in the comments, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns, clean legal explainers, real stakes, zero fluff.